ใน Crossroad គេមានពិធីហែក្បួនអីនៅ Crossroad Park នេះនៅប្រទេសវាគេធ្វើអញ្ចឹងដែរមងខ្ញុំហូបនេះកែងតំងខ្ញុំហូបដែរនេះអាកែងតំងខ្ញុំហូបដែរពីមុខខ្ញុំមានសាសអេចិនតំងខ្ញុំហូបdrone chứ nào drone popular free សាសចិនយកហូបស៊ីទៅតែចង់សាសបង
nó miền thang chân cho hôm thì từ từ đấy
ยังมีทัศจันกับมองยอมโฮมครบได้
nó kéo vào gió đó bằng
ฮะ
nó kéo cho lên
แกงโยได้ช่วงละเพียบัดนะยมอันช่างนี่
ngay
ด่าแปะแปะช่างนี่แปะแปะ
đi 10 bái còn đi tao đi đi ăn ngang này đi ngang đi ăn ngang nhà ba mà nó tấp tấp gì đấy
มีน้อยก็ด่าแปะแปะมั้ง
đấy
พิงซีเด้
chứ là ngon rồi á
เนี่ยหมกปรี
đúng là cái ngang trên cái nè
หมกฟรีอันนี้โดยไอ้
cái ngang trên cái
อันนี้โดยไอ้ยี่
tôi chiên
โดยกระดามเชียน
nó ngang trên cái
เมียแกงโจโย่จ้ะดิซัม
phải
ดิซัมแต่ลูกอันนี้โฮปเลยคุ้มเคลื่อนมาจ้ะเนี่ย อันนี้แอมโฮปคุ้มเคลื่อนไหม
không là có nó
ก็ยังไม่ยังดัง
không là có hộp đó là biết đôi
ยุ่มโฮปแต่ดึกคุ้มเคลื่อนดึกคลาดมั้ง
ngay không được lại mà nó
คลาดดึกโฮปน้องดึกบ้านเยอะแอมเนี่ย
ai mới không mà có thông là biết được ha kết thơ môn sơ ấy giống đó
นั่งไงยืนตามเถอะตามเตอ
kết thơ môn sơ
อันนี้มาโฮปมุนเซอร์
nè môn sơ là nè
ดะตามมาจงแบบจงจะกันติ๊กทุ่มเคลื่อนมาจังไอ้ใบบาทฮะ
tập đi đa mấy cái tết mùa cái lụa này chắc thấy nó ngon lắm biết
มาโฮปใบมกมันมาหมกน้องทุ่มเคลื่อนกว่า
ai
อันทุ่มเคลื่อนดะกว่ามันเต็มทุ่มเคลื่อนดึกบาทเยอะ
ali đã xây chơi đó nó nhầm đầm mặt bắt chào
ทุ่มเคลื่อนโดยทุ่มเคลื่อนโดยนักศกวิ่ง
nó sọc cái xí xí nào như vậy thông lần mà hộp môn này
บนสไนมาไปนะแอมช่าง
hướng nè mà khu mình nè mà đặt trong mắt trong màu vinh hai khu mình nó khó biết
ไปลวกบอลในกระสรดมันได้แต่มองจัวยอมโฮปฟรีเนี่ยเนาะเธอตั้ง5ตั้งมายุเนี่ย
रुचि मुक्ताकाराचित हृदये राघव प्रिय रजनीपति रुचि
Lime Hope Free
धनी सरि सरि ग म ग ग रि रि स नि स रि स नि द स नि द प म ग म प द नि द स न र सि द स र गे द य य प ल य द ग नि द न य द स न र सि द स द य द य य प ल य द र नि द न य द स न र सि द
อันนี้ว่าพาดมันเลื่อนเชิญไทยบาลาน សាសចិនហូបហូបហូបហូបឥណ្ឌានដែរណាព្រីនេះមនុស្សត្មងជួទៅយកម្ហូបហ្វ្រីម្ហូបខ្ញុំហូបមិញត្មងយកគេដែរមិញចុយមានកោទៀតទីដែរមើលនេះណាបងមានកោទៀតពីដាត្មងជួយកអាយស្គ្រីមមានកោទៀតវាត្មងជួយកអាយស្គ្រីមកំពីពី
vậy cho đắng gió bây giờ
thu
thank you
thank you
nè anh cho là phía mà phí nhang mừng nữa
គេមើលមកយើងគ្រប់ត្រូលមួយសាសគេតាគេមើលមកយើងគ្រប់ត្រូលមួយសាសគេ
nhưng mà đóng ấy đôi không biết ba đấy đây bây giờ nếu không nhang mừng nữa
មកចង់ទៅថតគោ
mình cô
យើងចូលទៅថតបានតា
cô đây nè
នោះចូលទៅថតរូបល្អមើលតាទៅថតទេហ៎ នៅកន្លែង ice cream កន្លែងនោះ
trên con mất nè chính chuyên để ice cream vậy
ទីសេបុនសបាយម្ដងយ៉ាងណា
ra bắn tinh phô xí ក្មេងៗវិញមើលគោ
ทอดข้าวใหญ่เลยนะ
មួយតម្ងជួទៅចាំប៉ះគោគាត់ដែរប៉ះគោឯង
ทอดบุษลัก
rêu cô clip của cô cay
Akram, you're doing job with Bagalim Bay. Why his back is like that?
They have a hump.
Hump?
They're an Indian breed.
Oh, really? And what's the occasion?
Okay, but the another main reason is they send nutrients to their milk.
Oh, the female?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
a female. It's a
Oh,
female,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. They both are female?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're both
good.
she's
No,
female.
go ahead.
Those is not the regular cow, this is a special.
No, that is Govinda.
You don't mind take us picture?
Yeah, no.
Circle.
For sure.
Right, circle here.
Yep. Yep. There's a video going on right now.
Yeah.
Oh, you want a snapshot
you
of
need to
this?
press circle.
Gotcha.
here.
Cool.
Thank you.
Radhika. Do you guys want to sit? Be careful. Radhika, it's okay. She's basically sleeping and we are disturbing her. That's why she's like, no, please leave me alone. Thank you. You're welcome. Did you get to pet her?
Yeah.
Very well. Give veggies to him. Yes, sir. Here you go.
Hi. You can stop at next week on Saturday. They are like between 1 to 4. 1 to 6, sorry. You give me minutes.